Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Are you looking for quick, easy, and fun Happy Mail ideas? Well, look no further. In today's video, I'm going to show you several ideas that I've created using digital files from MYSCRAPCHICK. The paper collection that I used is Mintay Glam. This is available at ASC Craft Supplies. I'm going to clear off my desktop so I can review each of these projects with you one by one. I'll be right back. The first project that I've created are these beautiful heart rosettes with tassels. The digital file from MYSCRAPCHICK includes several layers, also with a large heart as well as a smaller heart. I've chosen to only create the larger heart. I've fussy cut several images from the paper collection. I've included these fun roses, and of course I had to include a little bit of rhinestone for bling. This sentiment that says Rebel Girl is from the Mintay Glam chipboard. And on the bottom, I've added in this fun tassel. This file is called Pretty Paper Tassels. In the file, you receive two different sizes of tassels. You have the 2-inch as well as the 1.5-inch, which I've included here. These layered bows are not included in the file. I used a paper punch. Let me show you that. This is a punch from Tim Holtz, and it creates the perfect size for these tassels. To finish off the tassel, I've included these fun bead caps. I included a little jump ring, as you can see here, and then an eyelet at the bottom of the heart, and I think that makes a lovely presentation. You can include these on the front of a mini album or a journal, or it could be the focal point of a card. Also, if you want to get really creative, you could put on the back a little pin clip, and you can use this as a lapel decoration. And this is the second rosette. I've also used more rhinestone here in the back. We've got a floral spray over here. We've got one here, and then a sentiment from the paper collection that says Glam Rock, and this is also blinged out. And we have another tassel. Now, one thing I want to point out is the packaging. I've turned this packaging over so that you could see the heart more clearly on the black background. However, when it's delivered, it's going to be on this sheet of paper. I've used 80-pound cardstock. I've used a decorative strip on the back and in the front. I've used decorative paper and then a sheet of acetate. And then I finished it off with a piece of rhinestone. Now, the reason I've used acetate is so that I could attach these embellishments on with removable glue dots, and then all you have to do is include this in a acetate package. So these are the beautiful rosettes with tassels. I will include a link to my tutorial that shows you how to create this. Let's look at our next embellishment. Next, I've created these beautiful 3D flowers. This flower is from the egg-shaped box with 3D flower. You've also seen it with the hinged box with 3D flower, as well as the hexagon box with 3D flowers. They all have the same flower, and I simply alter the flowers depending on my project. But these are really pretty. They have several layers, and you can see here I've created two different versions. Here I have all of the petals rolled up. I have pretty stamens, and then on this flower here I have the center flowers rolled up and then the outside petals turned back. The next embellishments are these 3D layered bows. In the file, you will receive two different designs. Now, these bows are plain on their own. However, with the addition of this mini rose and these stamens, you've really made this a glamorous presentation. As an alternative to the flowers, you could also use a butterfly or a beautiful gem in the center. The final embellishments that I've created are these pretty tassels. Now, these are the pretty paper tassels, and I told you that this file has two different sizes. This is the 2-inch size. Again, I've simply embellished it with these pretty little bows and a black gem. I've added a bead cap on each of these, and then I've used a simple O-ring and attached it to a lobster claw. As you can see here, we've got silver and an antique bronze. These could be used on a junk journal, a mini album, or any project that you want to add a little pizzazz. This concludes my review of my quick and easy embellishments using digital files from MyScrapChick. Hopefully, I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, please be sure to join me tomorrow to see more fun projects that I've created using the Mintay Glam Rock paper. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.